why you can't stop yawning. And no, you're not just bored. Repeated yawning is not laziness. When the brain feels that oxygen is a little low and carbon dioxide is increasing, it sends a signal to the body. Take a deep breath. This very signal comes out as a yawn. Apart from this, when the brain gets tired and its temperature starts rising, then yawning acts in a way like a brain cooling system. When the brain's alert system starts slowing down, yawning becomes a reset button so that attention can wake up again. If yawning is happening repeatedly, then this is a clear message from the brain. Rest is needed.